welcome back to my channel. My name is Abiyah and I live in my Dodge Grand Caravan. Today we are going to explore Laumeier Sculpture Park in Missouri. Yes, I have a love and a passion for art. I just love art. And when I was filming my grilled lamb burger video, I met these two ladies and they recommended that I come here. I was telling them my story and they thought it was just so awesome. And they thought that I would like this park because I like art. So I am gonna take you with me today to explore the sculpture park and to explore the art of people's souls. Okay, so come along, let's go and head on over to Laumeier Park. And first, I gotta have me a little breakfast, which is not much. I kind of really like these peanut butter and cheese cracker things. Oh, they're so good. Hopefully that'll hold me over until we can have lunch/dinner. I don't know what you call it, together later. Yeah, okay, let's go.
It goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown, before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up. of our cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own.
On top of the world, baby. Knock, knock. Who's there? Abiyah? Yahoo! Abiyah, stepping out on faith. I found my way out. See what I'm saying? That's cool. I always like mazes. I do.
You should see the city lights tonight. I don't think they've ever burned this bright. Did you know when how everything would turn out? We learned to run, we learned to fight. Sooner or later, we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we can be new again. We can be anything that we wanted to be back then. Just wait, just wait. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. And if I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. I wanted to be saved before we lost our way. We were picture perfect, but below the surface, I wasn't okay. I made it look that way. I'm saying you deserved it. Sometimes it just happens that way. Sooner or later, we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we can be new again. We can be anything that we wanted to be back then. Just wait, just wait. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. And if I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. Too soon to know we were in trouble. Too late to make it go away. You always try too hard to hide it.
All right, guys. That is enough for me at the park. There's just entirely too many hills, and your girl, nah, she ain't fit at all. Okay? So I think it's time to get something to eat. And it's a little chilly. Not too bad. The sun's starting to come out. About time. It's been kind of in and out all day. So I feel like grilled cheese and tomato soup. Yeah, the quick and easy way, okay? So, about to leave the park, and we're gonna head over to the grocery store, okay? Yeah, that sounds good.
Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's here. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there? When it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something.
Now I know some of you guys have asked me in the past, how do I cook in my van? Sometimes I'll cook small things like soup and stuff in my van, but I don't do a lot of heavy cooking in my van. I usually cook outside my van, outside the van. So today for dinner, I feel like tomato soup and grilled cheese sandwich. Yeah, so let's get to cooking. We got about an hour and a half before it gets dark. So I need to hustle and bustle. And this is my lovely view for dinner tonight. Some more woods. Yeah, awesome, isn't it? But it's so peaceful. Let's eat, or let's cook, and then let's eat. We just gonna pray that there's no bats at this park, which I think there's probably bats because there's a lot of trees. So let's just pray. Oh yeah. Actually, I'm gonna set that right there. And we're just gonna use the same pot and put this in, but actually I'm gonna wipe some of this overcooked butter off. Don't know if I want that in my soup. Ooh, hot. Okay. So we are going to have Amy's chunky tomato bisque. Yes. And I'm never a simple girl, so I gotta add a little bit of my own spices. In my life, you can never have enough onion powder and garlic powder. Let's add some of that. And I'm gonna actually add some garlic salt instead of garlic powder. Kill two birds in one stone, you know what I'm saying? And of course, some black pepper to the soup. Should only take a few minutes to cook. Fresh basil, Parmesan cheese, green onions. There's dinner. Hello y'all, how you doing? I really enjoyed my dinner. It just warmed my whole insides up. And finally accomplished for the evening. And I do want some tea, but since I put my stove away and everything, I don't feel like getting it back out. So I'm gonna go find me a Quick Trip so I can get some hot water and get some of their tea, because it's gonna be tea time. You know what I'm saying? Because we done for the night. It's time to chill out. Yeah, so let's go find a Quick Trip real fast. And where are my keys? Where are my keys? Oh, Abiyah, girl, you normally do not misplace your keys, girl. Where they at, girl? Oh, Lord. Let me find my keys. I was sitting on them. I was sitting on my keys. All right, let's go find us a Quick Trip. Got my hot water and my tea from QT. And I'm, of course, lemon tea is one of my favorite teas. So, on top of their regular tea, I am going to add a lemon tea bag to it. Yeah. Add that. And that's so much easier than having to get to my, or boil some water right now. I did have a spare straw. Where'd it go? Where'd you go? My goodness, did I lose it? I don't know. But anyways, got my tea. Yeah, I must have lost it. I don't like this foam mount for my car. It feels like it should come down a little bit, and I can't adjust it. Anyways, here's to you. Peace and blessings to all. Shalom. Have a good night. Oh, that's so good.